Kill. No, I don't care. Oh, there. Yep, there it is.
Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
5 miles per hour?
Source, radar indicated. Intact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Davis Junction, Kirkland, New Milford, Monroe Center, and Fairdale. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 110 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 17 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Winnebago County. At 8:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durant.